Joshua 13, the land yet to be possessed. Now Joshua was old and advanced in years, and the Lord said to him, You are old and advanced in years, and there remains very much land yet to be possessed. This is the land that remains, all the regions of the Philistines and all those of the Geshurites from the Shihor, which is east of Egypt, northward to the boundary of Ekron. It is counted as Canaanite, though there are 5 rulers of the Philistines, those of Gaza, Ashdod, Ashkelon, Gath, and Ekron, and also the Avim in the south. All the land of the Canaanites, and Meara that belongs to the Sidonians as far as Aphek, to the boundary of the Amorites, the land of the Gebalites and all Lebanon, toward the sunrise from Baalgad below Mount Hermon to Lebo-Hamath, all the inhabitants of the hill country from Lebanon to Misrephoth-Maim, even all the Sidonians, I myself will drive them out before the people of Israel. Only allot the land to Israel for an inheritance, as I have commanded you. Now therefore divide this land for an inheritance to the 9 tribes, and half the tribe of Manasseh. With the other half of Manasseh, the Reubenites and the Gadites had already received their inheritance beyond the Jordan, eastward, which Moses, the servant of the Lord, gave them. From Aroer on the edge of the valley of the Arnon, and the city that is in the middle of the valley, and all the tableland of Medeba as far as Dibon, and all the cities of Sihon king of the Amorites, who reigned in Heshbon, as far as the boundary of the Ammonites, and Gilead, and the region of the Geshurites and Maccathites, and all Mount Hermon, and all Bashan to Selecah, all the kingdom of Og in Bashan, who reigned in Ashtaroth and in Edrei. He alone was left of the remnant of the Rephaim. Moses struck them and drove them out. Yet the people of Israel did not drive out the Geshurites or the Maccathites, but Geshur and Maccath dwell among Israel to this day. To the tribe of Levi alone Moses gave no inheritance. The offerings by fire to the Lord God of Israel are their inheritance, as he said to them. This is the inheritance that Moses gave to the Reubenites, the Gadites, and the half-tribe of Manasseh. This chapter reminds us that although God has given great victories, there is still work to be done. The promise is secure, the inheritance is certain, but obedience must continue. Next comes Joshua 14, where Caleb receives Hebron as his inheritance because he followed the Lord fully.